Getting through this is going to be a national effort. And I don't mean those words lightly. I mean every single person in this country is going to be affected and going to have to do things.
Quite soon, anybody over the age of 70 is going to be asked to stay inside the house for up to 4 months. Is that a realistic thing to ask to do?
Well, the protection of the vulnerable and elderly by asking them to stay away, to stay at home, that is in our action plan, but we do not want formally to say yet that people should do that. And the reason for that is simply this length of time that they'd need to stay self-isolated, stay at home to protect themselves. It is a very big ask. It's a very long time. And we do know that if you ask people to do this sort of thing, then they can tire of it. We know that it has negative impacts.
Say there's somebody living along the street from me who is elderly and is self-isolating because they have symptoms and they need care, they need help. Do I go in to help them or not?
Well, if you are healthy, then yes. And
risking getting the disease myself?
Well, if you...
And then spreading it?
I'm so sorry. If you are healthy and they are healthy, then please go and help them. There are ways that you can help without yourself getting infected, because the infection comes if you're within 2 meters of somebody. And so, you know, making sure that they're okay, making sure that they've got the food that they need, for instance, if they can't go out shopping, these things are critical, and you can do that without risking infection yourself.